my YouTube channel Engineering Physics by Dr. Deepak. Today we'll discuss about the experiment of investigating the Doppler effect with ultrasonic wave. What is the Doppler effect? Doppler effect is the change in frequency of electromagnetic waves due to the relative motion between source and observer. Here in the example, fire truck at the rest, observer A feel the frequency of the sound that is a lower in frequency or a rarefaction of the wave between the source and the observer. In the second case, fire truck moving towards the observer A, here compression of the wave between the source and the observer, so observer feels higher in the frequency. Doppler effect can be described as the effect produced by a moving source of wave in which there is an apparent upward means increase in the frequency for observer towards whom the source is approaching, and an apparent downward shift in the frequency for observer whom the source is receding, means moving away from the source. In the theory, the effect was first observed by Christian Doppler in 1842. The effect is used to measure velocities, usually by reflection of a transmitted wave from the moving object like galaxies, redshift, radar for speeding cars and thunderstorm, etc. It is commonly observed when a vehicle with sounding a siren approaches or passes and recedes from an observer, then we feel the increase in the frequency when the sounding of a siren approaches, equal frequency of a source when it is passes, and lower in the frequency when it recedes from an observer. As the source moves towards the observer, then forms a compression of waves between the source and the observer, reducing its length, which in effect increase in the frequency. Doppler effect for light wave is commonly expressed in terms of colors rather than frequency. A red shift occurs when the source and observer are moving away each other. In this case, first case, here we observe the red shift when the observer and the source they are moving away from each other. In the second case, a blue shift occurs when the source and observer are moving towards each other. So here observer is in the fix and the source that moving towards the observer. So here we feel the blue shift. Formula used here, source and observer moving towards, then apparent or change in frequency f is equal to f naught into v plus v naught upon v minus vs. Here we are using the plus sign when source and observer moving towards each other. When the source and observer moving away, then we are using the minus sign where f is the apparent frequency, f naught is the frequency of the source, v is the velocity of sound, and v naught is the velocity of the observer, and vs is the velocity of source. Now we are going to perform the experiment on the simulator. So in the simulator, first we can see here this is the source and this is the detector. In the combo box, we have to select the medium. There are the four different kinds of the medium: air, dry at 20 degrees Celsius. The speed of the sound in the air is 343 meter per second. And water, here the velocity of ultrasonic wave in the water, that is the 1482 meter per second. Glass 3962 meter per second, and steel 5800 meter per second. So we have selected the medium, that is a dry air. Here the select source direction, I have selected the left. Here I have selected the right, and the source velocity, we have selected the source velocity 175 and the detector velocity 200. It's up to you, you can select whatever be your choice. And the source frequency 160, 160 And now we can perform the experiment. How we can note down the observation in the observation table. This is the source and observer moving towards. The frequency is 517.17. When the source and observer moving away, then we can get the detector frequency 44.17. So please check again, 517.14 when the source and the detector moving towards, and when the source or detector moving away, 44.17. See here also the detected frequency when the source and observer moving towards, that is 517.14, and away 44.17. Now we can do the calculation. First we have to note down these observation in the observation table. After that I can show you the calculation, how we can do the calculation. This is our observation table, serial number, direction, observer moving towards the source. Source velocity, we have selected the 175 on the simulator. Detector velocity or observer velocity, V naught, that is 200 meter per second. Source frequency 160 hertz, and detected frequency on the detector, that is the 517.14. Similarly, in the second case, observer moving away from the source, the same source velocity and detector velocity and the source frequency. The detected frequency is 44.16. Now we are up, but we have selected in the simulator, selected medium air, selected source direction left, selected receiver direction right, detector moving towards the source, F is equal to F naught V plus V naught. Here we are using the plus sign when source and observer moving towards each other, divided by V minus Vs, where V is the speed of the sound in the air, that is a 343 meter per second, and observer velocity is 200, and observer frequency, that is the F naught, that is the 160, and Vs source velocity 175. Our result is 517.14. Detector moving away from source, F is equal to F naught V minus V naught upon V plus Vs. Here we are using the negative sign. Formula for both the cases that remain the same. Only we have to understand the sign convention. Plus sign is using when source and observer moving towards. When the source and observer moving away, then we are using the negative sign. In this case, the frequency is decreasing. 160, that is the frequency of the, or the fixed frequency of the system, and 343 speed of the sound in air, minus 200, that is a detector velocity, and 175 is the source velocity. So here we can get the result 44.16. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.